Hi guys, today we're here with Wilfredo at Santiago's Auto Repair. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi, as you said, my name is Wilfredo. I have more than 20 years of experience
Yeah.
as a mechanic technician.
Yeah. And what exactly do you do here?
So, pretty much I do general repairs, like brakes, suspension, welding job, tires, stay inspection, you name it.
Yeah. Sounds like you do pretty much everything.
Yes.
And why should people that need auto repairs come here rather than the competitors?
Yeah, we are a family-owned business and who deliver honest and reliable service.
Yeah. So definitely check us out on Facebook or visit us in person. We're located at 80 Maple Street, Manchester, New Hampshire, and in the back. But yeah, thank you, Santiago.
Thank you, and follow us. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook
And we appreciate your visit.
and share.